Good morning to everyone. Now, this is the most important discussion about the choice filling and the rules to be followed in the JOSA counseling. We are expecting JEE advanced results in October, mostly on 5th. Once the results are declared by the IIT authorities, immediately you need to fill your choices in JOSA. The website is JOSA, Joint Seat Allocation Authority. Now I want to tell you few points in this video. The remaining I will continue in my next video. The first important point regarding JOSA is when you once open the JOSA website, just look at the home page. This is how, let us say, the home page appears to be. Let us say it is the home page. At the top of this, under the heading of JOSA, you have one small heading by name Business Rules. BR means Business Rules. Here they will keep some annexures which are to be filled by the student. In Business Rules, when you once open it, you will have some annexures to be filled by each and every student. All the annexures which are required to be submitted by the student, you can download them from this particular heading, Business Rules, which we call. So students, just after opening the home page in JOSA, go for Business Rules heading, and when you once open it, you get some annexures in it. What are all the formats that are asked to be filled up by JOSA authorities? You need to download all of them, take a printout, fill up them. And one more issue here I want to discuss is, previously the counseling went on physically, directly in presence of the JOSA authorities in different IITs and NITs. But now, because of the pandemic situation, my assumption is they may ask you to attend for the counseling through online this time. So, before uploading the certificate itself, make sure that every certificate, whatever it is asked by the authorities, without fail, you need to fill up them properly. If any signature by a gazetted officer is required, immediately you get it signed by such authorities in the formats. So, Business Rules is one of the important factors that one should have in their mind. And the next point is, first of all, the first choice, you may apply for IIT Mumbai Computer Science course. The second choice is IIT Delhi and IIT Delhi Computer Science course. The first one is Computer Science Mumbai. The second one is Delhi. The third one is like that. You go on filling your choices. After that, suppose your fifth option or sixth option, let us say, you went for NIT option for Computer Science course. What happens now is, as per your rank order, your seat will be allotted in round 1. Suppose you get NIT Computer Science course in the first round of JOSA. If you get NIT Computer Science course in the first round of JOSA, then you need to take NIT Computer Science course by submitting your certificates to the authorities. In the frequent rounds, suppose if you are allotted a seat in IITs, in the second round or third round, if you get into IITs, then again you need to attend for the counseling. In the first round if you get NIT, and in the further rounds if you get IITs, then you need to attend for counseling in all these rounds. Again you need to submit all the certificates. What are all the certificates that are required? You need to submit again. In the similar case, suppose in the first round you get IIT, you have to attend for counseling, submit all your certificates. Then in the second round or third round, if you jump to NITs, as per your order of the options, if you get some NIT seat, again you have to submit your certificate and attend for the counseling. So most important one is, in one round if you get some NIT or IIT, you need to attend for counseling. In the other rounds, if you get one more seat in IIT or NIT, in the first round you get NIT, in the second round you get IIT, then again you have to attend for the counseling. That is one of the most important point you need to keep in your mind. And the third most important point about JOSA is, suppose a student gets around 65 rank in general category. Boy, general student, got 65th rank, all India rank in JEE advanced examination. Now, his ambition is to get into IIT Mumbai computer science course, let us say. As per 2019 statistics, the cutoff rank for boys in general category is 63. So this boy doesn't get computer science as per 2019 statistics in IIT Mumbai, because the cutoff was 63 last year. I am talking about, he got 65. So now his ambition is only to study in Mumbai, his ambition is. Then he may take up electrical engineering course in IIT Mumbai, the second option, second best course, electrical engineering in IIT Mumbai. But he wants to jump into computer science course if there is any vacancy available, if there is any possibility, he wants to jump into computer science course. Then he has to say sliding option during counseling. So what do you mean by sliding? Suppose if you want to continue in the same IIT where you get some seat, but you want to move to a better branch in the same IIT. Suppose you are getting IIT Mumbai electrical engineering. Your ambition is to continue there in IIT Mumbai only, but into computer science course. Then you have to take the option sliding. Sliding means within the same IIT, if there is any chance to move to a better branch, then you need to go for the option sliding. This is what is called a sliding option. The next discussion is freezing option. What do you mean by freezing option? Suppose a student gets a rank of 21 in all India level. His all India level rank is AIR is 21. He is a general boy. I am taking this as an example only. The same thing will be implied to all the other categories also. A general boy student who gets around 21 in JEE advanced rank. His ambition is to get into Mumbai computer science. This is his ambition. So as per 2019 statistics, straight away he gets all India level, as he got around all India level 21 rank, straight away in first round itself he will be offered computer science course in Mumbai IIT. Then he need not look for other rounds, because what he wants to get he already achieved in the first round itself. Then he can say freeze. That means he is satisfied with what he has achieved. Then immediately he will intimate the counseling authorities that freeze his option. Then immediately his seat will be freezed in IIT Mumbai itself. And the last discussion is floating option. What we mean by floating option? Suppose a student gets in the first round some seat in IIT Goa. Let us say he gets IIT Civil Engineering in Goa. He doesn't want to continue with civil engineering course. He wants to get into some better IIT. Suppose if he has a chance, as per 2019 statistics, there is a chance of getting IIT Bhubaneswar, IIT Patna or something like that. Then he can say the counseling authorities float after taking civil engineering course in the first round. He has to say float option to the counseling authorities. Remember, you need to attend for the counseling, whether you may want to go with freeze option or slide option or float option, whatever it is. Compulsorily you have to attend for the counseling. When one seat is allotted for you in the first round, you have to attend for the counseling. Suppose if you are satisfied with what you have achieved, then say freeze. If you are happy with the IIT but not happy with the branch what you have achieved, then go for slide option. You are not happy with the IIT, you want to jump into further better IITs, then go for float option. This is what about freeze, float and slide options during JOSA counseling.